In the first chapter of the book of history of class 10, we will learn about the rise of nationalism in Europe. In this chapter, we will come across with a term called nation. Then the question arises, what is nation? According to the dictionary, nation means a large body of people united by common descent, history, culture, or language, inhabiting a particular country or territory. And the features of a nation are: a nation is a stable community of people formed on the basis of a common language, territory, history, ethnicity, or psychological makeup manifested in a common culture. Come to the modern definition of nation. A cultural, political community that has become conscious of its autonomy, unity, and particular interests. In other words, it is a fully mobilized or institutionalized ethnic group. The word nation came from the word nation, that is a old French word that means birth or place of origin. According to Mr. Ernest Renan, a nation is not formed by a common language, race, religion, or territory. According to Renan, nation itself is a person, a living thing, which is consisted of endeavors, sacrifice, devotions, with a common glory in the past, a common will in the present, performing achievement together, and determined to carry on the deeds. So, according to him, a nation is a large-scale solidarity. The French Revolution and the idea of the nation. The French Revolution brought the clear expression of nationalism in 1789. The revolution pushed the power of the monarchy into the hands of French citizens. The revolution proclaimed the constitution of nation, and the chariot started its journey. Role of revolution in making of a nation. The ideas of la patrie, that means the fatherland, and the la citoyen, that means the citizens, from the very beginning created a theory of nation. The revolution acted as a key to create a sense of collective identity amongst the French people. A new French flag was chosen. The Estates General was renamed as the National Assembly. A centralized administrative system started working, and all the citizens came under one law. Only French language was encouraged to become the common language of the nation. The destiny of the French nation was the revolutionaries declared it is their duty to liberate the people of Europe from despotism, means to help other peoples of Europe to become nations. During 1790s, the French armies began to carry the ideas of nationalism forward. Role of the great Napoleon. As a ruler, Napoleon imposed the laws he already introduced in France, the Codex, throughout his empire. As a result, in Dutch Republic, in Switzerland, in Italy, and in Germany, where Napoleonic Grand Army entered, the freedom followed. With building the Confederation of Rhine, Napoleon first gave a glance of freedom and oneness to the German people, and the downfall of Napoleon, caused by the War of Nations, was once created by him. Thank you.